Hello friends, first of all allow me to introduce I'm Kutas from Sri Lanka and I'm a professional YouTube video creator, and by the way I'm a full stack web developer. I know why you click this video because of weird thumbnail and the title. Okay, after long time I'm uploading this video for this channel. If you watching this video first time, please make sure to
don't subscribe my channel.
cause if you don't like artificial intelligence, software engineering and computer science and tech news, it's not for you. I'm talking about all of these subjects. If you like those subjects, this is the perfect YouTube space for exploring your knowledge of deep tech. If you still not subscribe my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Just click in the subscribe button like here or like here. Yes, there, subscribe. Yeah. Okay, I think you subscribe. Still not? Bro, here. Yes, there. Yeah, you're right. Right. Okay. I missed a point. Yeah, I like to say upcoming Sunday I'm going to talk about some tech news around the world. Okay, that's all. Yeah, that's all. And until okay, until then, see you in another video. Bye bye.